Imagine someone gets arrested. What happens next? The judicial process kicks off with an arrest, usually by police who believe a crime was committed. The suspect is then taken to jail and must appear before a judge within 48 hours. This first court appearance is called an arraignment, where charges are read and bail is set. It's the system's way of ensuring no one is held without cause, and that the accused knows what they're facing. After arraignment, the case moves into pretrial. This is where lawyers gather evidence, interview witnesses, and file motions. Think of it as the legal prep phase. The defense might try to get evidence thrown out while the prosecution builds its case. Sometimes, both sides agree to a plea deal, avoiding trial altogether. This stage is crucial. It shapes what the jury will eventually hear, or whether there's even a trial at all. If no plea deal is reached, the case goes to trial. Trials can be by jury or just a judge, depending on the case. Both sides present evidence, question witnesses, and make arguments. The prosecution must prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. The defense doesn't have to prove innocence, just raise doubt. It's a high-stakes chess match where every move counts, and the outcome can change someone's life forever. Once both sides rest their case, it's verdict time. In a jury trial, the jury deliberates in private. They must reach a unanimous decision in criminal cases. If they can't agree, it's a hung jury, and the case might be retried. If the verdict is guilty, the judge sets a sentencing date. If not guilty, the defendant walks free. This moment is the climax of the judicial process. Justice delivered, one way or another. Even after a verdict, the story might not be over. The losing side can appeal, asking a higher court to review the case for legal errors. Appeals don't retry facts. They focus on whether the law was applied correctly. If the appellate court agrees, it can overturn the verdict or order a new trial. This final layer ensures fairness and keeps the system accountable. It's justice with a safety net.